Hello and thanks for joining me. Well, new year and new regime. I'm making this video to explain to my existing channel subscribers that I've decided to have something of a reorganisation of the channel and of my videos. The reason for this is to try and tackle the way the YouTube logarithms deal with my viewers and the way it promotes my videos. I started this channel just over a year ago, and I did so just to share my interests and passion for motorcycling. The problem is that my motorcycling interests are pretty broad, pretty wide, and it seems that the logarithms that YouTube use to push the videos out to potential viewers are confused by this. Essentially, they just don't know who to promote the videos to. So the thing is, the most popular videos that I have made in terms of number of views have been about off-road riding. And so what I've decided to do is to move all of my off-road riding videos to a separate channel. I have created a new channel which I'm calling Off the Tarmac, and I'm moving all of my existing off-road riding videos onto that channel, and any future videos that I make about off-road riding will be published on that channel and not on this channel. So this channel then will focus more on the other kinds of videos that I make, the songs from the channels, which is me philosophizing about life, the universe and motorcycles, my mechanicking videos, my classic bike videos, like the videos either working on mechanicking on or riding, my old Triumphs, my Naught Commando, my modern Triumph Scrambler, and a lot of my touring adventures. All of that stuff will still be on this channel. The only stuff that I'm moving out to the new channel is the off-road riding stuff. So if you enjoyed the off-road riding stuff and you want to subscribe to that channel, I'll put a link in the description below to this video so you can subscribe to that channel if you wish. Otherwise, hopefully it'll cause less confusion in the future. If you enjoy my British bike, my classic bike, my scrambler videos, they're still going to be on here. You can still enjoy them here. So that's just a brief clarification of what is going on. Lots of great new videos coming up for this new year, so stick with me. Hope you enjoy them, hope you find them interesting, and thank you very much for sharing my adventures with me. See you again soon. Ride safe. Bye.